Hello, good evening to anyone here, and welcome to my first video and analysis on synthetics trading. Well, this is a session where I would be analyzing a few volatility indices and giving out signals if they come for all watchers to join. Now, to begin with, if you want to trade synthetics, you would need to create an account with hello, sorry for the interruption, but you need to create an account with Deriv. It's Deriv that hosts these indices, and so we'll need to create an account on Deriv and then link it to our broker such as MT5. And then I'll just take a moment to take you through how to create these Deriv accounts. So we'll go to their website, deriv.com. Then we come to Traders Hub. It's loading. Okay, so I think because this would be displaying my account details, it's been blocked and blanked. So what the entreat you to do is that just log in to deriv.com. If you don't have an account, just sign up, create an account, and then we'll take it from there. If you have any questions for me, you can drop them in the comment section, then I'll attend to them promptly. All right. So let's continue with our analysis. I'm trying to share my screen with you. Just a moment. All right. So this volatility index 75, we could analyze any of them, but I'm just starting with this. So I start my analysis from the monthly charts. Okay, this is a monthly chart. So I would like to fit the chart onto my screen. That's why I'm reducing the candles, the size of the candles. Then I maximize my screen. Here, moment please. All right. This from our previous analysis. So what I'm doing right now is to look for volatility void from the past 6 months. And that would give me my bias. So I'm trying to build a bias. Okay. Then I move down to the weekly charts to make further analysis. All right. Then to my daily, I'll explain every step if you need clarification. But for now, I'm just trying to build a bias and to give out signals. So this is a previous trade I took, and it was a 5.67 R, and it played out as I predicted. So um, let's work on the current charts. So we have a bias to buy from the little analysis I've made. It's a bullish market that we're expecting, at least in the next few hours. So right now, what we'll do is to look for an entry, to look for a suitable position to enter the market. All right. So we're looking for liquidity pools or liquidity voids, and we'll try to trade all these areas. And from the look, the first look, which has to be properly traded, it was poorly traded, so we expect price to eventually rise to this area to properly trade it. Then I also see a void here. Then let's come to the downside and we realize that there's a little void here, but that has already been traded into. This is a 15-minute chart. So what do we look for here? Now we're looking for any opportunity, any reason to enter the market to buy. Okay, we have a liquidity pool below here. And so we expect the price to at most up to the liquidity pool here. Before eventually buying as we expect. But then this also an opportunity to take a risk if you're interested in that, because price is eventually going to shoot up. But we aren't sure if price is going to come down first before shooting up. But what we know is that price is eventually going to shoot up. So if you want to take an aggressive trade, an aggressive risk, you could simply enter at the current market price for a buy. So we're looking for a buy here, current market price, and then we will take our stop losses at this point at the price 314.880. We are expecting price to eventually trade into this area. All right. So we could place our take profit at 329.477, and then we have an R of 3.5. So let's monitor the trade to see what how it plays out. By the way, I have a trade running on volatility index 10, and then it's really in good profits. I couldn't share this with you, but I'll try to share my next trades with you. Any trade I take, I try to come live and share with you. So let's monitor this trade to see how it plays out. If you have any question, you could kindly drop it in the comment section and I'll try to attend to it as soon as possible. Please share the stream if you know anyone who would like to also benefit from this my signal. Thank you. Okay, so it's in direction. Let's observe.
When I said to you that I never wanna love another woman, girl, it was true. So true, I meant to marry you. But when I did, I was the one to take care of you. For you, now you say you wanna leave me, girl. When around you, I have built my world. Whenever you could have
Okay, so let's give it an hour so that we don't waste our data waiting. We'll come back in an hour to check it. Thank you.